In any country's progress and its economic stability, steel industry plays a very vital role. There are more than 150 steel melting induction furnaces in Pakistan, playing a fundamental role in Pakistan's economy by producing more than 30 million metric steel, including billets, rebars, channels, and angle. Steel melting industries operating in different areas of Pakistan are contributing heavily to air pollution, as almost all of them are producing metal dust, slag, and gaseous emissions that adversely affect the quality of air in the form of smoke. Smoke is produced during charging of the furnace, and when the temperature rises, the paint and other adherent volatile matter in the scrap escapes from the charge. 12 kilograms of particulate matter is produced per ton of product at the most. The primary hazardous components of furnace dust are zinc, lead, and cadmium. But its composition and contents vary with the scrap quality and furnace additives.
The steel industry in Islamabad, they are using scrap for remelting, and the quality of emissions that depend on the quality of scrap only. The technology for abatement of pollution was absent, and it caused a lot of pollution in the industrial area I-9 and 10, and the impact was on whole of Islamabad. So we were issuing notices and we held so many meetings with the industry, but finally we signed a charter of Islamabad with industry owners, and they agreed to change their pollution control technology.
The Karachi Steel Group has been in the steel business since 1950, just after 3 years of Pakistan's independence. The founder had an apparition and the foresight to take the steel business into the next level. In 1988, to produce high-quality steel products, a new plant was set up in the industrial hub of Islamabad. Currently, the third generation has launched its state-of-the-art flagship rolling mill to meet the growing demand of steel bars and acute shortage of quality steel bar manufacturers. Due to endless efforts, the mill is proud to produce the highest quality structural reinforcement steel bars. Karachi Steel is one of the very few steel industries to be approved by the Earthquake Reconstruction and Rehabilitation Authority of the Government of Pakistan to supply steel in the earthquake-affected areas of Pakistan. In the past 2 decades, the industries used chimneys for exhaust and released the smoke higher than the human contact, but this did not seem an appropriate solution. Since the last decade, wet scrubbers have been used for scrubbing air through high-pressure water sprays in the leading air duct, but don't work very effectively because of certain problems in design and also produce pollutant water. The efficiency of smoke collection through this procedure is just 60%, which is not competent and reliable for air pollution control. The Executive Director of Karachi Steel, Mr. Javed Malik, has keen interest to fulfill his moral duty to preserve the environment and always stayed in the search for the best and enhanced solution to control air pollution. In the meantime, Filtech International was marketing its air pollution control system for different industries in Pakistan. Filtech offered its solution for air pollution control system to Karachi Steel re-rolling mills. Filtech demonstrated its idea to Mr. Javed Malik, who really appreciated it and placed an immediate work order for the bag filter air pollution control system.
In 2011, a company called Filtech approached us, and they promised us to give us a state-of-art anti-pollution plant, which proved very successful to us, which is running now, and it is giving like 0 pollution level to the environment. And we're happy with this plant, and we recommend that this plant should be installed in every steel furnace all over the country.
KSR's project in 2011 was inaugurated by the Director General of the Environmental Protection Agency, Pakistan. The project was successfully installed in KSR and worked at minimum emission of soot and dust particles. KSR received wonderful results after installation of the equipment. Today, even after 3 years, it is still producing controlled emission.
After the installation of this anti-pollution plant, the labor comes to me and they are very happy with the clean environment. They are so happy. They say me thank you very much for setting up this new plant.
Filtech pollution control system and dust collection extraction system generally comprises of dust extraction, bag filter and ducting. In Pakistan, industries are facing natural gas shortage and KSR needed an alternate cost-effective fuel option. Other industries burn coal directly, which causes NOx, SOx and particulate matter emissions. But Karachi Steel always adopts sustainable technology for manufacturing. Therefore, KSR installed the state-of-the-art coal gasification plant for syngas generation, which is a clean fuel and environment-friendly. Filtech International is the pioneer manufacturer of low-cost air pollution control systems in Pakistan with local available materials and dust collector, fume collector, multi-cyclone, wet scrubbers, bag filter accessories, incinerator, coal gasification system, vibratory feeder. A clean environment is a human right and is essential for human health and well-being. KSR has set a milestone in controlling pollution caused by steel melting industries. However, still lots of work is required to be done by all industries to keep a clean and healthy environment, blue sky, green Islamabad, a clear view of the Magla Hills, and a real picture of nature for not only its citizens but also the future generations to come.